Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with essentials. Sign into your PSN account on the PlayStation app and make sure your phone uses stable Wi-Fi. This prevents upload errors. Once done, open the app and tap your profile icon. This is where cover settings live. Make sure your PS5 is linked to the same account, otherwise changes won't sync. Tap Edit Profile, then change Avatar or Cover Image. You're initiating the change. Next, you'll select or upload the actual image. Now you choose the image. Use a built-in cover or tap Upload to pick a photo from your phone. Aim for a 16:9 aspect. 1920 by 1080 is ideal, so the image scales correctly on console displays. Crop and position the focal point with the app's frame tool because PlayStation overlays icons at fixed spots. This avoids obscured artwork. If the app rejects the file, make sure it's under 10 MB and in JPEG or PNG. Compress or re-export if needed. Finish by tapping Save or Apply. The app will upload the image and queue it to your PSN profile. Wait a few minutes, then verify on your phone profile and on the PS5. Sometimes propagation takes extra time. If you don't see it, sign out and back into the app, or restart the console to clear profile cache. If uploads fail repeatedly, confirm PSN status is online, reduce file size, clear the app cache, or reinstall the PlayStation app. This resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.